One and a half to two of those cans because I don't drink. I'll get smashed. I'll get wrecked because I don't drink at all.
I feel that tipsy.
I don't have a tolerance to alcohol at all. Zero tolerance.
You don't get drunk. You get that.
I get pretty wrecked. Just over two cans. I've done two shots of Johnny Walker, bro. Fucking wrecked. I can last these 4 weeks.
So 2 straight shots.
Like drunk for at least fucking 2 hours.
Double shot.
The one I like the most is drinking the Scorpion. Scorpion shot.
It's expensive, though.
Yeah. Scorpion, man, adds that extra kick to it. So take the stinger off and then it's the alcohol stops killing you. You get that extra kick, man.
I went to a pub one night in Granbury Pond. The drive-thru was closed. I wanted these. The drive-thru was closed. So I went inside to the bar. I said, oh, you know, in here, you know, and he goes, yeah, we've got it on tap. And I said, no, I can't take away. And he goes, oh, yeah, Jim Glenn bottle, you know, 4.8 litre, you know, alcohol. And I said, are you going to be stronger than that? I said, I'll do that. I'll get $12. What? Then you fucking kidding me?
I'd rather stop myself.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, that's not wrong. So when you're open, and I can get 2 of them for that price, you know what I mean? He understood, but
$5 I would have gave you for that. That's cheap. Especially the 12%.
12%. That's what you're going.
Xe lửa đường xa là nó còn có đẹp. 本，你俩都很提前见一下。
有看到我就是说再说一个，说要会钱，对啊，会钱是盖章嘛，盖章之后它证明你是有这些东西的，然后你去排队的时候，然后你可以完了之后去排队的时候，他看你盖了这张，他再拿去排队。我每次都是先到进去的嘛，然后下楼就有一个网，看我就是排队的那里，就是还没有脱衣之前那里有个房，对，就是刚进去那里面叫啥？我不知道，我也不知道，就是到了那个2楼那里下去，有一天可以下一轮看一个特别多的人，然后在排队，脱衣时可以下去，然后先给他检查，然后盖了章就可以过去。那我买了500的，是超过300的，这100%。